I'm Sunil Rana, I'm a product manager at Biotage. I'd like to talk about metal scavenging. Well, metal scavengers are additives that we can add to the products of reactions or reaction intermediates in order to remove trace metals. Many of our clients and customers work in regulated environments, and it's very important for them to be able to confirm that they've truly removed trace metals such as those from catalysts that may have occurred earlier on in their synthetic chains and pathways. So metal scavengers are a very effective way to guarantee that they have removed metals such that their products can be used as final drug molecules, for example. Well, let's go into the lab and get a look at how they work in practice. Okay, well, a lot of people ask, how do we actually use these in a lab? Well, I've got some silica TMT which I've packed into a small column format just to mimic a flow-through application, and the first step is typically to add a little bit of conditioning or equilibration solvent. It's a fairly quick step, as you can see. It's just designed to wet the silica. Then what we'll do is add a little bit of palladium solution to this. Now this is palladium acetate, but to be honest, tetrakis, triphenylphosphine, DPPF, it all basically behaves in a similar way. The ligand that is bound onto the silica is very effective at catching and binding the palladium that's in solution. That effectively takes it out, and it's doing it pretty efficiently, as you can see, because we have a very tight band of palladium and it's a very strong bond. It's one of the strongest ligand metal bonds that we have available to us, and will easily displace binding effects from competitive products such as APIs. That's why these scavengers are so effective. But what I'll do now is show you that the solution itself is absolutely clear and colourless, and that was originally the deep gold colour of the palladium catalyst. A lot of people ask what these materials are like in reality. Well, I've got some of the silica thiol here. I'll just pour some out just to give you an idea of what this material looks like. It's a free-flowing powder that can be added to reactions or packed into columns and stirred. Also in the metal scavenger family, we have a silica TMT. Now this one's a little bit darker. It's a loose, clean, free-flowing powder, just as its silica thiol counterpart. This is MPTMT, which has the same functionality as that one chemically, but we tether that to an insoluble polystyrene backbone such that it can be added to reactions and stirred and filtered away. As you can see, it's a much coarser particle, and that makes it much more amenable to filtration and stirring. So at Biotage, we design our metal scavengers to be very workflow friendly. They're designed so that they can be added into a reaction, stirred and then filtered off very effectively. They're clean, they leave no trace, no contaminants, and they simply go in, do their job, and can be pulled out by very simple, mechanically easy to implement processes.